Hi, in this video I will show you how can we create an image review in our WooCommerce store like home page, shop page or single product page. So this is how it looks like, and in shop page if I click on here and if I scroll to the bottom like this, to add this type of image review in our WooCommerce, we have to log in into our WordPress admin dashboard, and then we have to select plugins and go to add new plugin, and we have to search for here ProofWP. So I have already installed and activated this plugin. So after activating this plugin, you can see here a menu like ProofWP, and first we have to go to all reviews and we have to create a review. For test purpose, I'll create a review and add author name and author email and review content, and also add your rating 1, 2, 3 or 4 or 5, and tag a product here and add image, and we can add here multiple images. For now I will stick with one image and click on save. So my review already created, and now we have to create a widget to show these reviews. So click on here, create widget, and choose Visual Widget and enter a widget title, my image review, and click on next and choose image reviews like this. I choose this one and this one. Okay, and then save and next. So I can see here my reviews, those I have already added, and here I can see a display condition layout. So right now default layout is grid, so we can add this to stick slider, accordion, and also Mercury. So there is too many options in content and also styles that we can add for these widgets. And after all the changes, simply click on save button and copy your widget shortcode and open a page with Elementor or Gutenberg. And I have already opened a page with Elementor, and simply search for here shortcode and paste that here and enter your shortcode and click on publish. So when you publish this shortcode, it will appear like this. So this is how we can add image review in our WordPress website.